50%. Remember that. Last page, you guys. 1 minute 43 seconds for 90 stroke. Okay, which is very good. Hopefully the race you guys can do better than that. Let's bring it down to 1 minute 20 seconds. Okay, beat the time for next week. Can we do that? Yes. Yeah. Oh yes. All right. Let's okay. Let's go. Let's head home. Ready, set. Remember that dry start. Okay. 50. Okay. 50%. Lean forward. Pull hard. Okay. Pull. Alright. Good job. 1 minute 43 seconds. 90 stroke. Oh, okay. I will tell them. 1 minute 43 seconds. Oh, I forgot. Alright. Thank you.